we're given that Q is directly proportional to the square of P. Given this information, we want to complete the table below. Q is directly proportional to the square of P. Tells us we have a formula of the form Q is equal to K times P squared, where K is a constant of proportionality to be found. If we look at the table here, we have values for both P and Q. We can substitute these into the formula, giving us 18 is equal to K times 6 squared. So 18 is equal to 36K. Dividing both sides by 36 gives us that K is equal to a half. This gives us the formula Q is equal to 1/2 of P squared. So when P is equal to 1, Q is going to be 1/2 times 1 squared. A half times 1 is 1/2. So Q is 1/2, or 0.5 if we wrote as a decimal. Now consider P is equal to 3. Q is going to be 1/2 times 3 squared. This is 9 times 1/2, which is 4.5, or 4.5 as a decimal. Now consider P is equal to 7. Q would be equal to 1/2 times 7 squared. This is 1/2 times 49, which is 24.5. Now let's consider Q equal to 32. Substituting this into the formula gives 32 is equal to 1/2 times P squared. Multiplying both sides by 2 gives 64 is equal to P squared. P then is going to be plus or minus 8. Now taking Q is equal to 72. 72 is equal to 1/2 times P squared. Multiplying both sides by 2 gives us that P squared is 144, and therefore P must be equal to plus or minus 12.